They will lie to us that those offices are not funded, but we know what happens in government. They will be funded through proceeds of corruption within government. The president should move with speed and issue a gazette notice to back up his decision to scrap the unconstitutional offices of the First Lady, Second Lady, and the spouse to the Prime Cabinet Secretary. Similarly, Kenyans want total overhaul of the cabinet because majority of the cabinet secretaries are incompetent and they cannot perform the role of cabinet secretaries effectively. Most of the cabinet secretaries were just political rewardees. We do not want cosmetic changes in government. We want total overhaul of government, including reduction of the number of cabinet secretaries, including reduction of number of state departments, including reduction of the number of principal secretaries in government ministries. He has the bill before him. Why is he dilly-dallying to sign the bill into law? Because there are so many things that are pending. There is the issue of boundary review. There is the issue of by-elections, which are supposed to take place. All these things are delaying because of a quorum issue in IEBC. And Parliament has done so well to process the amendments to the IEBC Act. So all that the president needs is to sign into law. But we are concerned because the delay in signing IEBC bill into law is a clear demonstration that the president is fearing something. And we know that the main fear is bordering around the recall process. That now members of public who are agitated about what the government has done and what the members of parliament have done will take advantage of that recall process to recall the members of parliament. Honorable Ruto must be told that even if he doesn't sign it into law, 14 days are going to soon expire. It will automatically become law without his